What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Let's see if I can make it start. The truck was making a really weird noise. I think there was an icicle sticking down that was tapping the control arm. Now over here is just the ice rubbing against the tires. But I think I fixed it. Anyway, it was shaping up to be one of those days where I just sat on the couch all day. But I've been watching a lot of Expedition Overland lately, and he says the only thing stopping you from doing something cool is not getting off the couch. So what we're gonna do, it's like 10:45 right now. I'm gonna take the truck to Utah. If you watched any previous video recently, I think I said I was supposed to be going to Utah, and I was supposed to be going to Utah to ride dirt bikes. Supposed to be there yesterday actually, but that got canceled just due to weather. Wasn't quite warm enough, but why not take the truck there? So we're going to get the GoPro up here. I'm gonna stop, fill it with gas. We'll do a little bit of fuel economy, and we're gonna take her to Utah. This truck has never been out of the state of Colorado, so it's gonna be pretty sweet. I gotta stop and get a charger for this thing. But anyway, we're gonna do a little road trip today down to Utah. All right, so first step, we gotta stop at Walmart. I really hate Walmart, kind of creeps me out, but I need to get some cables for this dang camera, maybe another memory card, and then allegedly there's a gas station in this area selling gas for $2.99 a gallon. All right, y'all, we got the goods, we got the cable, we got some more storage, a little bit of energy, and a dang snack. Let's get back on the road here on the way to Utah. Here we see an F-150 in its natural habitat. Classic sight right there. So I got it figured out. We're real close. The mile markers are counting down. Oh, we just passed mile marker 1. So I'm assuming that means 1 mile to the border. We come over the hill here. Look at that. I really honestly expected there to be less snow here, but we did just get with a big storm in this area. So therefore, there is snow here. So leaving colorful Colorado right there in Utah, I see the darn sign. Really not expecting this much snow, I'm not gonna lie. We are making it into Utah. Right now, 4,760 feet. So it's saying an hour to Moab still. I kind of want to find something cool. This radar's been nothing but a nuisance the entire time. 80 mile an hour, look at that. I've never seen the 80 mile an hour speed limit sign either. That's a good thing I'm already going 85. I've heard Rabbit Valley is cool, and I just passed it. It's right before the border there. I just wanted to make it to Utah to say I went to Utah. Tourist Info Center, 40 miles. I don't know if there's really anything freaking out here either. So the next turnoff or next exit for the highway, maybe we'll take that, pull up the All Trails or something, take a gander at Rabbit Valley, because I have heard that's pretty cool. Maybe do some cool driving, and then I guess head back. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But we'll pull off on the next exit of the highway and take a gander at whatever options are. Alright, they're calling this a view area. View of what? I'm not sure. But we do have service. It says no services, 40 miles. So I'm assuming no gas or anything. but we're still 80 miles away from Moab, so let's pull. Ooh, this is nice looking, I suppose. All right, so we're at the rest stop here. I'm pulling up the map, which is kind of being a pain in the butt right now. So yes, we have just crossed over into Utah. I will try and get this up in there, as we can see. And yeah, still 78 miles an hour to Moab. So I'm going to right across the border back into Colorado, what was Rabbit Valley. So let's look that up real quick. Rabbit Valley is a valley located in northwestern Mesa County, Colorado, generally used for paleontology, camping, hiking, mountain biking, off-road vehicle recreation, and hunting. Accessed by Interstate 70, Route 6. Okay. So now that we've made it to Utah, let's turn around. I don't want to go all the way to Moab. I don't really have anything to do in Moab. And I just kind of came out here by myself. So let's go ahead and go to Rabbit Valley. There's really not a lot going on out here for I guess the first 50 miles of Utah. There's not a whole lot. So hopefully this lets us get back on to the highway here. It does. Let's go wide open throttle, why not? Alright, that's 95. Holy cow. Woo! I don't know if it goes right or left, but this is mile marker 2 of Colorado. I see people down there. Trail through time is to the left. This freaking radar is just absolutely absurd. Trail through time left. I see people down here and it looks like it turned into a dirt road though. But I guess we go left. So you can definitely tell that this truck has a transmission thermostat that is set to 190 because it got real hot under my wide open throttle to 95 mile an hour and then immediately cooled down to 190. So designated OHV route. This looks pretty freaking close. Small recreational vehicles. National conservation area. What, do I have to walk it? I feel like I can drive it, right? Am I allowed to drive it? There's another car coming, so I'm just gonna turn around and go check on that map that's right there.